everybody and welcome to another video of mine, and in this video we are going to be doing Would You Rather Tag. So before I start the video I want you all to subscribe to my channel क्योंकि आज मैंने बहुत effort किया अपने कपड़ों के साथ अपना background match करने के लिए. Like literally imagine flowers and flowers, like dude, appreciate that and subscribe to my channel right away. So video question number 1. Would you rather be failed by all or loved by all? Loved by all, obviously. Would you rather sell all of your possessions or sell one of your organs? I would obviously sell all of my possessions. Would you rather be infamous in history books or be forgotten after your death? I would rather be infamous in history books. I don't want to be forgotten after death, guys. It haunts me. This thought haunts me. Okay, so would you rather never get angry or never be envious? Mushkil sawal. I think I would rather never get angry. गुस्से से बदतर और कोई चीज़ नहीं है. Would you rather have a horribly corrupt government or no government? I think horribly corrupt government is still better than no government, क्योंकि अगर government नहीं होगी तो उस corruption से ज़्यादा corruption होगी. Would you rather be held in high regard by your parents or your friends? Parents. 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 Would you rather know the uncomfortable truth of the world or believe a comforting lie? I would rather know the uncomfortable truth. Take notes, you guys. Would you rather die in 20 years with no regrets or die in 50 years with many regrets? I would rather die in 20 years with no regrets. Would you rather live in the wilderness far from civilization with no human contact or live in the streets of a city as a homeless person? Obviously, wilderness far from civilization. That would be so much fun, I tell you. Okay. Would you rather live your entire life in a virtual reality where all your wishes are granted or just in the normal real world? I think normal real world. तो कि अगर हर wish grant होने लग गई तो फिर ज़िंदगी जीने का मकसद क्या होगा? Would you rather lose all of your memories from birth to now or lose your ability to make new long-term memories? नहीं यार, मतलब how can I choose one from this? I think जीना तो है ही, तो फिर पास्ट के साथ जीने से मतलब तो इससे अच्छा है कि I would rather lose all of my memories from birth to now and you know make new long-term memories instead. This was Would you rather be born again in a totally different life or born again with all the knowledge you have now? I think I would rather born again with all the knowledge I have now so I can fix everything, you know. But that's just not possible. Would you rather know all the mysteries of the universe or know every outcome of every choice you make? I would rather know all the mysteries of the universe. Would you rather spend 2 years with your soulmate only to have them die and you never love again? Or spend your life with someone nice you settled for? Is a tough question again. I think I would rather spend 2 years with my soulmate only to have them die and never love again. I want to meet my soulmate, yeah. That would be an extremely time of my life. So, बहुत लुक है यार, मतलब I hate summers ऐसी वजह से. Would you rather be a famous director or a famous actor? Famous director. Would you rather be a practicing doctor or a medical researcher? Medical researcher. Would you rather live in a cave or live in a tree house? Live in a tree house. Would you rather be able to control fire or water? Water. Would you rather live without the internet or live without AC and heating? Shit. Without internet. मजाक कर रही हूँ. I would rather live without AC and heating. यार इंटरनेट के बगैर Would you rather be able to teleport anywhere or be able to read minds? दोनों मेरे काम की चीज़ है. I think I would rather be able to teleport anywhere. दिमाग पढ़ के मैंने क्यों अपना सर खपाना है और टेंशन होगी वरना मुझे. Would you rather be an amazing painter or a brilliant mathematician? I would rather be an amazing painter. Would you rather have a flying carpet or a car that can drive underwater? Flying carpet. Would you rather lose your best friend or all of your friends except of your best friend? I would rather lose all of my friends but not my best friends because best friends are important. My friends are gonna block me up. Would you rather be alone for the rest of your life or always be surrounded by annoying people? Always be surrounded by annoying people. Because they make life fun. Would you rather be locked in a room that is constantly dark for a week or a room that is constantly bright for a week? A room that is constantly dark for a week. आदत सी है. Imagine. मैं पता है इस सारे क्वेश्चंस को साथ साथ विजुअलाइज कर रही हूँ तो दैट इज़ मेकिंग इट इवन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड ईजी टू आंसर. Would you rather be in debt for $1 lakh or never be able to make more than $3,500 a month? Never be able to make more than $3,500 a month क्योंकि उधार पे रहना is worse. So never. At the age of 25, would you rather travel or focus on your career? I would rather travel. 25 की उम्र तक तो कैरियर बन जाएगा ना मेरा इंशाल्लाह. Hope so. Would you rather wear skirts or dresses? Dresses. Would you rather be called pretty or smart? Smart. Given the choice, would you rather die peacefully in 5 years or horribly in 15 years? Peacefully in 5. If your age was permanently fixed, would you rather be stuck at the age of 18 or 50? I think at the age of 50. Okay, at least 50 की एज में मेरे पास पोते पोतियाँ वगैरह सब होंगे. That would be entertaining. 18 साल की उम्र में मैं क्या कर लूँगी? If you could choose only one, would you rather go to Paris or London? London. Would you rather have infinite money or unending love? Unending love. Would you rather save humanity or the earth? Humanity. Would you rather have $1 lakh in your bank account or an IQ of 145 plus? An IQ of 145 plus. In a life and death situation, would you rather save your pet or a stranger? ये बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है. But I will obviously save the stranger क्योंकि एक इंसान की ज़िंदगी I believe एक नहीं यार मतलब मेरा how can I like I think stranger को बचा लूँगी क्योंकि जो पेट है उसके पीछे तो मैं नहीं रोना है. जो स्ट्रेंजर है उसके पीछे पूरा ख़ानदान होगा रोने वाला. तो आई विल सेव द स्ट्रेंजर. नया पेट ले लूँगी। वैसे भी यू नो आई एम यूज्ड टू लूजिंग पेट्स नाउ, सो आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग। Would you rather be a happy fool or trouble genius? Trouble genius. Would you rather be a leader or a follower? Leader. Would you rather be a poet or a scientist? वैसे तो I love being a poet, but here I'll choose scientist क्योंकि साइंटिस्ट लोगों की ज़्यादा इज्जत होती है हमारे माशरे में। Would you rather be a thief or a liar? दोनों से नफरत है मुझे, मैं इसमें से कुछ भी नहीं चूज़ करी। I'm skipping this question। मतलब चोरी करो या झूठ बोलो, मतलब दोनों की एक ही बात है। इस दोनों में कुछ भी बेहतर नहीं है, तो I would skip this। Would you rather be average height or 6'8"? Average height। Would you rather be broke or dead? Broke। Would you rather be born white or black? White। Sorry। Would you rather be bald or have a deep scar on your cheeks? Have a deep scar on my cheeks, it's fine। Would you rather be financially bankrupt or emotionally bankrupt? Financially bankrupt is still fine, but जो emotionally bankrupt होता है ना, नहीं, I take my words back। मुझे अभी भी ख्याल आया कि अगर मैं emotionally bankrupt हूँ तो एटलीस्ट पैसे तो है ना मेरे पास, लाइक आई कैन मेकअप माई माइंड में कहीं घूमने फिरने जा सकती हूँ, और यू नो आई कैन डील विद इमोशंस। लेकिन अगर मैं फाइनेंशियली बैंकरप्ट हूँ तो दैट वुड रुइन मी इमोशनली एज वेल, राइट? कुछ कर नहीं पा रही होंगी ज़िंदगी के साथ, तो आई वुड रादर बी इमोशनली बैंकरप्ट। Would you rather be happy and unhealthy or healthy and unhappy? Happy and unhealthy. Khushi matters a lot. Would you rather be logical or creative? Logical. Would you rather be loved for being fake or hated for being honest? Hated for being honest. That is the main reason why I lose many friends. Because I'm hated for being honest, you guys. Would you rather be lucky or talented? Talented. Would you rather be painfully aware or blissfully ignorant? Painfully aware. Skip. Would you rather record a single with Justin Bieber or Ed Sheeran? Justin Bieber, obviously. Would you rather buy a Ferrari or a Lamborghini? Lamborghini chalai jaane o. Ferrari though. Ferrari is my answer. Would you rather buy a Tesla or a GTR? Tesla. Would you rather change your personality or looks? Change my personality? No. Change my looks? No. Which one? Would you rather choose a wife who is working or stay at home wife? I have to choose a wife. I would choose the working wife. Would you rather choose eternal life, eternal wealth, or any superpower? Superpower. Or would you rather date someone who is rich and boring or someone who is poor and interesting? Poor and interesting. Poor and interesting. Would you rather eat at Burger King or McDonald's? McDonald's. Would you rather eat overcooked or undercooked food? Overcooked. Would you rather experience a constant pain or constant itch? Constant pain. Would you rather find love or achieve many things? Achieve many things. And find love after that. Please. Would you rather give up love or success? I would give up love. कुछ नहीं रहता प्यार में, guys, निकलो. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Hamna HK's Vlogs for more content coming your way. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबा दें और लाइक कर दें वीडियो को, आप लोगों की बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर, थैंक यू सो मच।